right, y'all. I'm back. I'm back. I don't know why I got disconnected. I figured I was gonna get disconnected. Okay. I figured I was gonna get disconnected, honestly. Okay. Well, from one video to another video to another video to another video or whatever. Okay, so as I was saying, y'all, flesh and bone. Like I said on the last video, I didn't know flesh and bone was locked up. Okay, throughout that time. I ain't find that out until I think 2007 or 2008 or 2009 or something like that. And then when I saw Flesh and Bone in in this video, "Meet Me in the Sky," I like that song. Bone never disappointed me, y'all. Bone Thugs and Harmony never disappointed me, y'all. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, I enjoy Bone. One of my favorite rap groups of all times, y'all. Y'all know that. Some of you know that. So anyway, not back to Yana. We was in our class and stuff like that. Okay. So yeah, y'all. We was in our class. Then she was missing a lot of days in school and stuff. Hmm. Well, Mr. Davis was our principal at the time, our first year, and then a lady named Miss Davis. She was the worst principal we ever had. I really didn't like Miss Davis being principal. She didn't run the school right, honestly, y'all. Okay. Mm-hmm. So, all right. And then Dominique started coming to John Mack my last year, 2002, 2003 school year. That was her first year at John Mack. She went to Clark after she left 28. So Amanda Felix. Hmm. Yeah, Amanda Felix. She was a firecracker, you know. Amanda Felix, sweet and adorable, bitter, evil, mean, sweet, adorable. Oh my God, Amanda Felix. I almost liked it her too, but technically Amanda was too much for me, you know. She went to Clark for 2 years. She had left 28 when I left 28, and then she went to Clark for 2 years. So Amanda and Dominique left Clark together and went to John Mack. And goddamn, she got into a serious fight at John Mack. And oh my God. I mean, well, enough said about her getting into a fight at John Mack and getting expelled and all that. Okay, because I guess that was serious enough, you know. I guess it was serious enough. And yes, Amanda Felix, I miss her. Hmm. Well, honestly, we used to mess with each other. Well, she started one part, I started another part. She started one part, then I started another part. Blah 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 blah, back and forth, back and forth. That that's what happened. Okay, Amanda Felix, Dominique Stokes is so sweet, bitter at the time. She cursed me out in 2003 and 2004. That's what she did. Honestly, you know. Talk about I was mean to her, which I was. I ain't gonna deny it because well, that's all I gotta say. All right. So if I have anything else to say, I'll be back. Okay, on Instagram Live or whatever. Okay. All righty.